say, I can't believe you told me I was your everything. Then you got up and left like it was nothing. Did you really care, or was it all a front? Did you mean it when you said I was your only one? You coached me and you listened to the rumors. Before you said that you would ask me first. This is exactly why I didn't want to get attached. You had me fooled thinking that you'd always have my back, but it was my mistake. I shouldn't have trusted you. I shouldn't be surprised, cause this is nothing new. I guess I thought maybe this could be different. Now I wasn't thinking, who am I kidding? When it's time to move on, I need to let you go. That is something your next girl needs to know. I can't believe after everything we've been through, you couldn't find the balls to tell me the truth. You couldn't leave, you losing everyone our business. You're doing nothing but breaking all our promises. Do you remember when you met all of my family? Do you realize that you never hurt me? I bet you never meant a word that you said to me. I'm feeling stupid, why the hell is it so lame? I was blinded, I was so deep in love, and now you're showing off your girl like I give a fuck. I could care less about your relationship, but no girl should ever have to go through this. Before you hurt her and leave her unexpectedly, help make me my job to give her fair warning. I hope you realize that you'll never be me. I'm one of a kind, and that's something you didn't see. But it's all good at the end of the day. It's time to walk away. Hope you're happy and I wish you the best. Not that actually I could care less. I could care less. Hope she hurts you. I could care less. I could care less.